accurately is one of the most fundamental skills in Selenium automation. If your locators are unreliable or fragile, your entire test script can break, no matter how well you write the rest of the code. In Selenium, we use something called locator strategies to identify and interact with elements on a web page. Selenium WebDriver offers 8 primary types of locators. This is the fastest and most preferred locator. If an element has a unique ID, always use it. For example, driver fundelement by id username. Name. If ID is not available and the element has a unique name attribute, you can use driver fundelement by name. ClassName. Use this when elements share a common CSS class. However, this works best only when the class is unique to the element you're targeting. Example, driver fundelement by ClassName. Tag name. This locator is rarely used alone, but it helps when you want to find elements like all tags or all tags. T-link text and partial link text. These are helpful when dealing with hyperlinks. For example, by link text forgot password, or by partial link text forgot. Key XPath. XPath is a powerful locator strategy that allows you to traverse the HTML DOM and locate elements precisely. It supports both absolute and relative path. Example, driver fundelement by XPath input at tape at text. Key CSS selector. This is another powerful and often preferred method. It's faster than XPath in most browsers and less prone to breakage if used properly. Example, driver fundelement by selector input type text. Each strategy has its pros and cons, so the best practice is to always choose the most specific and least brittle locator available. Also, avoid relying on auto-generated attributes like dynamic IDs or indexes, as they may change frequently and cause flaky tests. For real-world automation, you'll often end up combining locators or even building custom XPath expressions based on attributes, text, or element hierarchy. In summary, Selenium gives you the flexibility to locate elements in multiple ways, but your goal should always be to have fast, stable, and reusable locators.